In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Quora mobile app step by step. After downloading Quora app from Play Store or App Store, you have to create an account. After creating an account, the application is going to open here on the homepage directly. Here you can find all the post recommendation or following posts. So what you have to do, just watch it. For example, if you wanna upvote, click here. If you wanna comment here or share it here, for example, report post, click here and click report or share, or if you are not interested, click here. So here, if you scroll, you will find the recommendation posts and the following and followers post. If we click here, we can post or ask or answer a question. Also, if we click here, we can post. So if we go here, we will find our following posts, like following spaces and friends or person. If we click here, we can answer or add a request or a post, and also we can find our drafts here. If we go click here, we can find spaces. If we want to join some spaces or create one, like I'm doing, I have this space. If we click here, we can find the notifications. Yeah, and from here we can manage notifications. If we click on the home page and go here and click, we can find this window where we can find our drafts, our messages, and our settings. Here on settings, we can, manage our account, languages, font size, stamp, and many things like deleting account and deactivate it. And if we back here, so we can find here messages, as you can see. And if we want to send message, just click on add or new message and enter the name of the person that you want to talk. Click, for example, this one, click hey and click send. That's all. Don't forget to like, as you can see here. So guys, the application of Quora is very useful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.